Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell a domain in GoDaddy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to do this is head on over to GoDaddy.com and sign into your account. Now, once you've signed into your account, you want to go ahead and click onto My Products. It might ask you to sign back in. Then from here, we want to click onto, on the left hand side, we've got these different tabs. Click onto Domain. Then from here, we've got to click into registration settings. Now, once you're inside of your registration settings, you're going to have your contact info, your domain, hit privacy on, and then to the bottom right, you can see here sell. So we want to scroll down a little bit. Then basically I have this domain up for sale, so what we can do is go ahead and it might say sell your domain, so go ahead and click on the button. So I've got a buy now price of $1,500 for this, and now they're going to give you an estimated value as well for $1,500, or for me it's going to be $1,500 for this domain, Golfers Den. Now if I want to go ahead and edit that listing, I can, so I can click onto it. Now you might need to log into your Afternic account associated with your email, so I'm going to link my existing account here.